Good morning, students. Let's start our class. In this class, we are going to discuss about our chapter 14, which is equations. Now, equation. By the term, what do you mean? It means that the statement in which variables are included and both the sides are equal. The equivalent statement which have one or more than one algebraic numbers are known as equation. Now you can see here I've explained you what is constant and variable in my previous class. Now here you can see that here it is in your algebraic equation. Now, let us see how to convert our verbal statement into numerical expression or numerical expression into our verbal statement. Suppose it is given the sum of 5 and 3. So how we can write? We can write sum means plus. So we can write the sum means 5 plus 3. Let us see one more example. The sum of number and 5. Now I've written number. So here the number can be any number. So we represent it with a variable. So I've written here the sum of number means plus x plus 5. Okay. If we write the verbal statement, the sum of 5 and 3, we write it as 5 plus 3. This is a numerical expression. Now in the second one, now let me say this verbal statement in different way. Okay, the sum of a number and 5. Since the number is unknown, we express this unknown number by a variable x. Thus write x plus 5 is an algebraic expression as it consists of a variable. There should be a variable. Now let us transform this verbal statement, which I am going to give you now. The sum of a number and 12 equals to 15. Here the sum of number, so you can write here any variable. I have written here as x plus 12 equal to 15. As you know, the sum means plus. So x plus 12 equal to 15. An algebraic equation, or simply an equation, is a mathematical statement which consists of variable, constant, and an equality sign. Now, let us see one example. Mohan went to market to shop few types of stationery. He brought 2 notebooks and a storybook, costing rupees 120. Now the cost of notebook was not known, which was considered as X. Okay, we are going to consider the notebook as X, and Mohan paid rupees 170 to the shopkeeper. Now how we are going to write this in an statement form, in an equation form? Let us transform this verbal statement into an equation. We know that the cost of notebook is rupees X and the cost of storybook is rupees 120. If you read the word problem, you will understand it clearly. Now, total cost is how much? 120. And so we are going to write X plus 120 equal to 170. Okay, why? Because here the X is what? The cost of notebook, and he has buy only 2 things. Okay, so this is our required equation, which that the x plus 120 is equal to 120. So an equation has 2 sides. The quantity on the left of equal to sign is usually called left hand side, or short LHS. Okay, and the quantity on the right of equal to sign is usually called right hand side, and in short RHS. The value of these 2 quantities, LHS and RHS, should always be equal. Then only we can say that the equation is true. x plus 120 is equal to 170. Now, I'm going to change 120 from left hand side to right hand side. Why? To find the value of x. So 170 minus 120, 50. So value of our x is 50. Now, the value of the variable is the equation which satisfies the equation. It's called the solution of the equation. Okay. Now, example 1. Tell me, is this an algebraic equation? I told you in the algebraic equation, a variable and equal to sign and left hand side should satisfy the right hand side. Should be there. 65 minus 3 is greater than 45. No, this is not an algebraic equation. Though it consists of variable and constant, but does not contain any equal to sign. Yeah, good. Now, example 2, come on again see, and we will tell whether it is an algebraic equation or not. 24 divided by 4 equal to 6. No, this is also not an algebraic expression. Why? As this doesn't contain variable. Now, simply if y equal to 10 is given, you have to find the solution of the equation 2x equal to 10. So, what we can do now? 2 into 10 equal to 20, and 20 is not equal to 10. So, this is also not an algebraic equation. LHS is not equal to RHS. No, y is not the solution of given equation, because if we put y is equal to 10 in the equation, we get 2 times 10 equal to 20. Thus, LHS is not equal to RHS. If x is equal to 7, a solution of equation 3y minus 1 equal to 20. Just we see, is it possible or not? 3 into 7 minus 1, because I put the value of x in here. Okay. Now it will be 21 minus 1, which is equal to 20. And our right hand side is also 20. It means that LHS is equal to RHS. Thus, x equal to 7 is a solution of the given equation. I hope, students, you have understand about the equation and how to solve the equation. Okay, thank you.